2 weeks now since we've grocery shopped. So we are definitely running low. So it's definitely gonna be a pantry meal tonight. I'm gonna see what I have and show you guys what I whipped together with random ingredients that I have in the fridge. So, obviously, she's bare. Okay, so we've got some yogurts, some leftover quinoa, some broccoli that I think is actually going bad, all of my condiments, some apples, some carrots, got some diced tomatoes, I've got plenty of beans. I think, yeah, I'm gonna do a chili because I've got the diced tomatoes, I've got plenty of beans, and I've got vegan cheese to put on top. So I'm gonna do that. This chili is literally all about the seasoning. So once you empty out all the beans, that's when the flavor starts to come in. And this is a really great dish for fall and winter because it's really yummy and it's really filling, super high protein too. And sometimes I'll even do a veggie chili and I'll add lentils in as kind of like a meaty texture, and then I'll throw in corn and peas too. But I think tonight I'm just gonna keep it simple because I'm pretty beat. Garlic powder, onion powder, oregano. This is a must if you're making chili. It's chili powder. Can't do chili without it. I always have this on hand. This too, this is liquid smoke. So, so good. I only put about a capful in. Salt, pepper, some nuke. Maple syrup. Has to be 100% maple syrup though. Don't go using that corn syrup stuff, okay? This is good. I'm gonna let this boil on like medium, low to medium for like 25 minutes. Come back, I'm gonna check it, and then I'm gonna adjust the seasonings and maybe let it go for like another 5 minutes. And then we're eating dinner. So simple, so fast, so easy. Here is the chili. It is all done, super yummy. We're just having some saltines on the side. Could do it with like bread or even like a baked potato. That'd probably be really good too. But the kids love it. Tony is already chomping away. And so is Tita. Today is day 2 of pantry meals, and I'm starting dinner late today, and everybody's eating the leftover oatmeal from this morning. Not me, thank you. We're still running on E here, guys. Let's see. I have no vegetables, like literally no fresh vegetables, but this is exactly why I buy fresh frozen vegetables when we go to the grocery store. So I've got green beans down here. Oh, I've got peas. Let me see what we've got in the pantry. I really want to do pasta. What's what? Graham crackers? I got those the other day at Target. We've got angel hair, and I've got whole wheat spaghetti. Cashew Alfredo with peas and some chicken. Some of those soy curls. I think that's what we'll do. Okay, I'm craving pasta. So I'm gonna use some of this elbow macaroni and make a little bit of cashew cream sauce with some of these Butler soy curls. These rehydrate and taste, well, I mean, they taste like whatever you add into them, but I use the vegan no chicken base to rehydrate them. So these will be like a little bit of like a chicken bite, and I think I'm gonna add frozen peas to it too to just up the protein. As with all of my recipes, all of my cooking, I'm just gonna eyeball this. So see some garlic powder, lots and lots of garlic powder. Actually, I think I'm gonna actually throw in some fresh garlic too. Some onion powder, just a little bit of onion powder, not too much. I'm gonna throw in some Italian seasoning. Plenty of pepper, plenty of salt. I have like a smidge left of Miyoko's cream cheese, and I'm gonna add it into here because I know this is gonna give it a really good flavor, and it might make it like slightly creamier. I don't know, but I just want to see. Welcome to the Thrifty Vegana. test kitchen. Oh my god, that's so good. Oh my god. I shock myself sometimes. I'm gonna put like 2 cups of boiling water in this bowl. I think 2 cups should be good. And I'm going to add a spoonful of this vegetarian better than bouillon no chicken base. This is a staple in my kitchen. It is so, so good. Nice spoonful of that. Dump in the soy sauce. Let these guys get nice and rehydrated and soak in all this yummy, yummy broth. Here it is. It doesn't look very appetizing because it's like, you know, kind of all the same color. It actually tastes really good though. The kids like it a lot too. Is it yummy? Yeah. Yeah, okay. If the kids say yes, it's good.
Let's go.
It's good. All right. I'm going to kill this because it's so yummy. And I will see you guys tomorrow. Here we are on day 3 of Pantry Meals. It's gonna be the last and final day because we are literally pushing it to the limit. My father-in-law is also here, so I'm gonna have to make a little bit of a bigger batch, but I already know what I'm gonna make because I've been thinking about it and I've been kind of seeing what I've got in the refrigerator. So let me just show you. I have this huge bag of tostadas. I think someone brought these over to our house, either that or we had extra, I don't know. But anyways, we have a whole bag of tostadas. I'm going to make some toppings for the tostadas with some jackfruit. So I'm gonna do some jackfruit carnitas for sure. Some black beans. I'm gonna do Mexican rice, so I need tomato sauce and obviously rice, which I've got plenty of. And I did break and I got a few little produce items because we needed it desperately. So I have some lettuce, I have some tomatoes. As you can see, the fridge is still very empty and we've got like a lot of mismatched kind of things, and I could probably still do pantry meals, but it's just easier for me to meal plan at this point and see what I've got now and then use those in next week's meal plan. So like I said, tonight's gonna be the last night of the pantry meal because tomorrow we are going grocery shopping. We're definitely gonna have to go grocery shopping because that's all I have left of garlic powder and onion powder, and these are like my 2 main spices that I cook with. Well, those and salt and pepper. Mexican rice is pretty easy. All you need is white rice, some tomato sauce, water, and then better than bouillon chicken, no chicken base is what makes it taste amazing. So I throw that in there too, and some seasonings and stuff. If you guys wanna see a legit recipe, let me know and I will make a video for that. And the same with the carnitas. So it's jackfruit and then I just empty it out. I don't even take the middle parts out, I just leave it there. I wash it up and then I just add a bunch of seasonings, some orange juice, some liquid smoke, all a bunch of good stuff.
Caco y hago cosas rápidas así ahí en la cocina. Están cuando me da sueño.
Chistosa.